Hello, welcome. My name is Ko, and I'm going to take you through a quick demonstration, a quick look at the OneDX mobile application. This is a medical imaging mobile application, very, very powerful. We don't think anything can compare to it at the moment on the market. Um, let's take you through it and show you what makes this application very, very unique. Once you log in, it will bring you to your study list page, which shows you all your studies. Now, one thing about this application is you can load multiple studies simultaneously at the same time. So we can even set the number of studies you can cache in temporary RAM here. I have it set to 10. Let's come back and let's load the studies on my list. Now you can upload your studies through the web or import them from any DICOM compliant archive. Um, let's quickly look at that. Let's download some of these studies. I'm going to load 5 of these. Show you how fast this thing is going to work. See how fast this thing moves. Now we have our own proprietary methods of downloading these images, so you will never find anything as fast as this out there in the marketplace. And let's take a look. Let's load one more. We have 277 images here. Let's download that one. And here it comes. You don't actually have to wait. You can go straight to the viewer. But the application is so fast, I'll just let it load anyway. Once they have loaded, we can take a view. We can go to the different series sets, look at them that way. Or you could manually advance at bottom from series to series. Now we can scroll pad at bottom of your screen over here, and we have some advanced tool sets, window level settings. You could alter the window level settings accordingly, back to default here. You can rotate your image, double tap, or just reset over here. Let's zoom, paint zoom, double tap to reset, invert, measure. You can draw and also color code them as well. Let's see, let's get rid of that. Now, or play Cine in a movie. There we go. Next, let's go back to my study list. You could we have an inbuilt HL7 engine on this application. It can pull reports from your RIS, from wherever you put it, through HL7. As you see, access denied here. I'm not connected to any RIS system whatsoever here. So anyway, let's look at some of the other features. Now you can search your DICOM archives. Search over here. You can select whatever archive you have connected. You can connect it to multiple archives and import your studies. Again, we have a proprietary method of importing studies, so we're going to import these fast, very, very fast, extremely fast. Now let's go back. We have a My Patients list. You can actually pull your patients, so specific to the actual referring doctor, which restricts access to images that do not belong to that doctor within the PAC system, which is great. And you can sort your images here. What else can we do here? You can share. Now, one great thing about this application is it allows you to share your studies. So let's show you how that works. Now, you can add a user. I have a user added here. Simply add a user from your network. Here we go, all the names. You can select one, for example, and add them. Let's go back. Once added, an email will be sent, and that user will be able to view those studies instantly. Now, you can invite a guest outside of your network, and you can have them temporarily view the study, and it could expire. You could set the expiration for a week or whatever you want. Now let's go here, invite a guest, for example. Let's make up a name. Let's make up an email address. Let's say TETE at. And what happens here is the system's going to search for that email address, and if it doesn't find it, you have to create a secret word. You can leave a message, and it will send an email out to the user in question here, and the email will contain a system-generated password. Now, it won't send along the secret keyword. That keyword you would have to communicate manually in some kind of way. That way, if you send it to the wrong person, they won't get access to the images. Now let's look at the video conferencing part of the app. Now to video conference, all you need to do is create or join an existing session or create a new session. Here we go, here. And my sessions are to the left. To the right are shared sessions I've been invited to join. To create a new session, all you would have to do is just hit the new button here, name it, and share it with your colleagues from within your network. And let's go back and use a session I already created. So to do that, I'm going to log into two different iPads. Now this one would be my master, and the join session would be the slave. Now let's log into this application. I'm logged into this app as well. So over here, what I would do is, here we go, let's collaborate. Join my session here, and let's join a session here. Now the sessions have to match. Make sure I'm joining the right session, and that would be my video demonstration session. Once I'm in, here we go. Now you can see me. I'm going to mute my audio. You can see me and my camera. Great. Now let's collaborate. We can text each other. Can you see both apps here? There we go. Now you're watching both apps. Zoom out a little bit. Now, let's start. Let's chat. Hello. Did you see? There we go. You can see the response. And I can send a response back, or hi. Send that back. There we go. Now let's collaborate, and we could have a video chat, and the name of the actual study selected is on the right hand side here. We have a number of icons. You could conference with multiple users, select them, what user you want to face or have a face-to-face conversation with. You can pause the video. Now let's take you to the actual study itself. With this icon here, we'll take you to the actual study downloaded. In this case, we don't have any studies loaded, so let's load a study here. And come back. Actually, I'm the slave, so let's load a study. No, I'm the master. Any study would do, that's fine. So as you noticed, once I selected that study, it automatically appears on the other device. Let's load it. Here it comes. Now it's loading. Once loaded, we can collaborate, and you do see we still have the little video boxes all the time here. Now let's go to the study itself. Now I'm in collaboration mode. and I can do a number of things. Here's my cursor, and watch it on the other device. As I move my cursor, you can see whatever I do on this end. If I zoom here, it zooms in, out. I can scroll, play cine. It's playing. Now let's stop that. Whatever I do here, I can measure, and it does appear. Let's do it again. So we're in full collaboration mode. We have our video, all the tool sets work. You could change your contrast settings and do all these things in full collaboration, in full sync. So I'm synchronized perfectly with the other app. I did mute the audio. I'm in the same room just to prevent the feedback. And that's how you collaborate with the OneDX mobile app.